Hey, if you're worried there's a big wave of foreclosures coming and it's going to crash the housing market, let me put your mind at ease. I've got some data that gives us a good picture of what's really on the horizon. And guess what? It's not going to be a flood of foreclosures. The graph I'm going to show you shows the number of mortgages that are seriously delinquent is declining. If you're wondering what that means, it's a mortgage that is 3 monthly payments or more past due, or one that is already in the process of foreclosure. This decline tells us that there are actually fewer people who are not paying their mortgage today than there were at the beginning of last year, by a lot. And that means a wave of foreclosures is not coming. If you want to know more about what's going on in our area, let's connect. I keep my eye on the data to figure out what could happen in the housing market so I can help you stay one step ahead of the news. I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Give me a call. Let's connect today.